with more than 1,000 different articles. Here's a case for soft animals and for fabric dolls. The doll's house on top was made by the Triang factory in England in the 1920s, 30s. The famous Bonzo and some early mechanical or semi-mechanical papier-mâché toys dating back to 1850s. Lenci doll, Italian maker. A German propaganda doll from the Third Reich, and also a little fascist made by Lenci. These monkeys were made by the Steiff factory, and so this little couple. A nodding donkey of German manufacture, and a reindeer, also German. The doll in the background dates back to 1500 and is a South American doll. And here are some more Lenci dolls, teddy bears, soft animals. The elephant and the teddy bear are Steiff. And the little dog is English. A little sweet couple was made by Steiff. And here's a detail of the German propaganda doll from the 1930s. China of different kinds, for children and for dolls. There are about 80 complete sets in the collection. This is an early set dating back to 1840s. Tea set. It's a German set from the turn of the century with transverse pictures. Smaller sets for dolls' houses. It's a set made by the Rörstrand company in Sweden, and a German set. A Russian samovar for children, and an extremely well-made set with hand-painted flowers, belonging once to a little countess. This is a presentation set made in Paris in the 1870s, 80s. It's complete and in very nice condition. Another Swedish set from the 1920s. And these sets are about 1900. And a tea set from England dating back to the 1830s, marked Dawson. This case shows some German dolls having a dinner party. Little Horse is South German from the middle of 1900, from the middle of the 19th century. Nice piece of furniture, probably not a toy but a miniature, but used as a toy. More paper dolls. The set in the middle is very early, handmade, dating about 1800. It's a little booklet with the different items belonging to this doll. These are German paper dolls in lithograph from the 1880s. The latest is a Shirley Temple paper doll from the 1930s. Here's a view from the main dollhouse room, showing some 20-25 dolls' houses. All these houses are fully equipped with different things, dating from a period of 1840 up to 1940, showing the different styles of furniture like Art Deco, Art Nouveau, etc. Most of the houses are handmade, a few are factory made. In the same room there is a case showing small shops, stables and wooden animals. A Russian toy, Swedish wooden horses, and more animals. Some are homemade. These are miniature houses and miniature animals made in South Germany in the 1910s and 1920s. These buildings are quite early, dating something like 1840s, 1830s. They all were also made in South Germany. Here's a fire station with a burning house, made in the 1920s. A grocery shop of Swedish make, very well made, about 1890. A homemade house